Alright everyone, in this video I'm going to go ahead and show you how to make this a draggable object. Now in the last video it was really time consuming switching the positions of this enemy tank by exiting out, playing the preview, exiting out, playing the preview, waiting for this load screen. Alright, it's time consuming. So let's go ahead and change that. Now if I go to edit object, behaviors, and we can go ahead and add another behavior besides pathfinding. I can click draggable object. This allows the object to be moved using a mouse or touch. So it's now draggable. So now when I'm testing my thing out and all of the angles, I can click preview one time, and when it finishes loading, okay, that's definitely not right. I can go ahead and drag it to see what happens. Alright, why are the boomerangs going away from my enemy? Away from my enemy? Away from my enemy? Oh, now they're going to my enemy? What the? Away? Away? What? Alright. So hope that shows you how to make a draggable object. And it really helps when we're playtesting, and it's very easy to remove. Alright, in the next video we're going to go ahead and do some debugging with text objects.